Got it, record.
Open the window and then hit wet mark.
It's recording. I'm gonna get you away from the mangroves. Get you in the middle of the lake. Okay. But I don't see anything happening yet. Hang on, I don't see anything happening. It says record, but I don't see anything on here.
It's on the other side of the boat.
I know, but I don't see anything on the screen. That's what I'm saying.
Is it open on the other side?
Oh, gotta open it. Alright, there you go. There's Joe with a big old snook now. Now you guys can see what's going on instead of just hearing the commentary.
That's funny, because you can hear everything.
Yep.
Is it open yet?
Dang, Joe, it's a nice big snook. The big boys are out today for some reason. So when you get them over here, I'll go ahead and lip them.
Nah, that's cool. You just video.
Alright.
Let's get the whole thing. It's really nice out here because it's so open. He headed right now, well, you couldn't watch it, but he headed towards the shoreline, towards the mangroves, but we were far enough ahead. I may have to open this drag a little because he's too heavy to bring him, even though he's not pulling anymore. He's tired, I think, but there he goes.
I see him. There he is.
Ready.
Here he is, right behind the boat. Nice.
Make sure the motor's off.
It's off. Beautiful snook. There he is. I think it's zoomed in. There we go. I zoomed out. There we go. Nice fish, Joe. Look at that snook.
What did we catch him on?
Caught him on the punani baits. That's it.
Punani, baby. Punani does not play. Everybody wants some.
If you work for them. Joe's coming out with his new line of bait products called punani. So, why don't you go ahead and set him here against the thing and see how long he is.
He gave me a real nice fight.
They saw the second half.
And you heard the first.
Yep. Pull him up some. Pull him up. All the way up. There you go.
27.
27. There you go. Let's get him in the water so he gets some air through his mouth in there.
Sucking on my thumb right now. How you doing, buddy? You gonna be all right? Yeah, he's gonna be all right. He's hanging on to my thumb.
Got another tail. There you go.
Yeah.
There he goes.
All right.
Beautiful thing.
Thank you very much.
Joe. Thanks for coming, man.
Captain Todd.
That's right. Guided tours, $4.50 a day. Let me know.
Great job.
Thanks, Joe. Great job.